What's good, Foodizens? It's your girl TK and I'm back with another journal entry, and today we're going to be making brown butter chocolate chip cookies. Yummy. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start with our butter. I'm using unsalted butter. I'm not sure how it would turn out with salted butter. It probably would be, it might be okay. I'm not sure, but I'm just a little concerned that it might be too salty for the cookies, even though later on I'm going to add salt, flakes of salt on top. But like I said, we're starting off browning our butter. So you want to have it on a low to medium heat and just let it cook down, and you'll see it transform here. You see that the milk solids are cooking and the liquid is cooking out of the milk. So it's bubbling, it's foaming, and that's what it looks like when it's almost done. And we're pretty much done here. And I'm going to show you the milk solids. There you go. Those brown bits, those are the browned milk solids. And y'all, the smell is delicious. It's toasty, nutty. It has kind of a toffee smell to it, but it smells really good, and it takes the cookies to another level. So once that's melted down, or should I say browned, what you want to do is let that solidify. You don't really want it cold, but you want to get it solid, at least to room temperature, I'll say that. So here we're just adding the 2 sugars and creaming the sugar and the butter. And honestly, it still looks kind of lumpy or whatever to me. Like, it doesn't look creamy like it normally does whenever you cream sugar and butter, but that's fine. It's perfect. So we're adding our egg and vanilla. I'm gonna mix that in there. All right, and here I'm sifting in the flour, salt, baking soda, and baking powder. And you can see the dust particles flying all over the place from the flour. And I was gonna mix it, but in all honesty, it just, to me, made more sense to just take a spatula and mix it together. And it worked out a lot better. So now we're adding our chocolate chips. I'm using dark chocolate chips here. And honestly, to me, the dark chocolate chips work a little bit better because the cookies are sweet as they are, or should I say the cookie dough is sweet as it is. So the dark chocolate kind of balances that out, as well as the flaky salt that I'm going to add to it. The flaky salt just kind of elevates it a little bit and kind of enhances the sweetness and makes it kind of just balances everything out. And this recipe made about 13 cookies, and here's the final result. I will say that I did let them stay in the oven a little too long, but they weren't burnt. They were not burnt. They just weren't as soft on the inside. They were pretty much, I guess you can say, well done. But these cookies were so good. Oh my goodness. So there we have it, brown butter chocolate chip cookies. Guys, I hope you give this recipe a try and let me know what you think in the comments section. Until next time, take care.